Hello friends, I'm again here. Since I have got many calls from the viewers and users, and they appreciated my job very well, so I'm again here and encouraged to give you the next video on the conditional formatting on Google Sheets. So here I'm going to apply or build a rule for coloring the empty cells. The cells which are not having any value should turn to some color. So how to apply this condition formatting? So let's start. So I am taking or selecting column number or column D, that is maths. So whichever cell is empty, I am going to color it with some color, and the cell will be filled with that color. So for that, I'll have to go to format and conditional formatting, and here I have to select the range, and range is my mass range. So mass column is here. From this column to this row to last row, and this is here 41. So my range is selected, and after selecting the range, what I want, first I remove this color, that is none, so that it should not be filled with any color. And now here I'm going to make a rule. If empty, is the cell empty, then the cell should be filled with some color. So I'm taking the color, maybe say green. Means those cells in mass column which are not having any value, means the students have not opted maths. These cells should be filled with the green color. So as soon as I click done, this column or this rule is created and the empty cells are filled with green color. Similarly, if I want to add one more rule, that where the marks of any column are more than 80, maybe the same column I am picking, that is mass column, I am selecting and adding the rule here. The range is selected D2 to D2 to D41, and here I am going to change the color of the text with, say, blue, where greater than equals to mass greater than mass greater than or equal to 22 and half, or 22 rather. Then we see if any of the cell having marks more than 22 will turn into So I'm changing the range, that is greater than or equals to 20. So here I'll have to observe that those marks which are greater than equal to 20, those marks are turned into blue. And there is no cell value or cell color. So this way, this conditional formatting is applied. Hope you like it. And see this cell here, marks are 20. Here marks are 20, so they are in blue, and these cells are empty, so that is why they are green. And this way we can apply conditional formatting on Google Sheet. Thank you.